Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can apply VLOOKUP function and SUMIF function and what is the difference between them. For example, you have a very lengthy table in which there are multiple entries and you want to see a specific entry here, the name of the person who sells something. So for example, the name of the person is David, and you want to see automatically his selling price should appear here. How it is possible? It is equals to VLOOKUP, double click on it, and it will ask you the lookup value. Lookup value is his sale rep name, and then the table array. The table array is this, the whole table from top till bottom, all entries here. And then don't forget to freeze this value by applying F4 here and here, and then comma. Then it will ask you the column, in which column your selling price is, or the column you want to search. So here the fourth column, like 1 2 3 4, fourth is the selling price. And then the last thing, it will ask you want approximate match or exact match. I need exact match, so for the exact match you have to write here 0 and close the bracket, hit enter. It will give you the name, and it will give you the selling price of the person whose name is written here. For example, if I write here name James, it will give me the selling price of James. But let me show you one thing again, David. If you see here, David is repeated twice, in here and here, and it is giving me the value of only first entry. In that case, if you have a multiple entries, you have to use SUMIF function instead of VLOOKUP function. How you can apply this function? It is equals to write SUMIF, and it asks you the range. What is the range? Range is the sale rep name. So select this column from top till bottom again, and don't forget to freeze this column as well, comma. And then it will ask you the criteria. The criteria is his name, and then the sum range. Sum range is this one. I need the sum of these values. Okay, and also don't forget to freeze these value as well by applying F4, close the bracket and hit enter. You see, it is giving you the sum of these two entries. And if somewhere if I write here name David, it will sum this value as well automatically. So this is the difference between VLOOKUP and SUMIF function. Both are very powerful, but the purpose is different. If you have a multiple entry of a single person against the name of the person, so you can use SUMIF function. And if you have only single entries of every individual, so VLOOKUP will serve the purpose. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.